Go to the mailbox, you find a package with Review Central on it. You anxiously bring the package inside and open it up and find a brand new Nintendo Switch game. And that's what's happening to 9 random people who are nice enough to leave me a comment on one of my videos. Thank you, everybody. I think actions speak louder than words, so I decided to show how much I do appreciate you guys. I actually paid for all of these games myself, and I am far from rich, but people have done nice things for me when I knew they didn't have a lot to give. So here are the great people who are getting games. But first, before you get upset if it's not you, I do have 2 more games to give away. So drop a comment, please subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications. You'll be able to see new videos when they pop up. And of course, I'll be doing a lot more giveaways. Here are the recipients of the games. Thank you again, everyone. I'm working hard every single day, and this channel is still new, so just imagine what I can do when it gets bigger. So please share my video, subscribe, drop a like, and comment, all of that good stuff. It really actually does help. Please check out another one of my videos after this. Hope everyone has an amazing day.